This video will help you with creating the drawing sheet for the train hitch peg. So we click on RH drawing sheet, and now in all caps we type in the name of the part. We go to base, open the file, select train hitch peg. That's the one we want. Click open. It's a little big, so I'm going to reduce the scale. Right now it's set at 4:1. Let's do 3:1 and see how that works. That's probably good. So this is the front view, and then we'll have a top view and an isometric view. Now, the front view and the side view would look exactly the same, so I'm not going to do anything with that. I'm going to leave that just like it is. We don't need a side view. Click OK. I'm going to go ahead and hover over the isometric view, get the red dotted box, right click, edit view, and then add the shade. Third button here. Click OK. Slide that down just a little bit. There we go. Okay. So we have a little more information that we're going to need on this diagram. So if we look back to our original here, we need the height of the cylinder and the overall height. We need both of those. We're going to need the diameters of the cap and the base, and we're also going to need the chamfer information as well as the surface radius arc. So to fully dimension this, well, the first thing we're going to need to do is know what the diameter is. So we're going to annotate. Well, let's go ahead and do height. So from the very top to the very bottom, make sure you get the bottom line, 0.65. And then from the very bottom to underneath the cap. That looks good. Then we have the surface radius. Hit escape. If you get the green dot, try not to select the green dot right there. We don't want to select that. It's not going to come down just a little bit where there is no dimension. Now, you'll notice it's rounded up. I'm going to be more specific. So I'm going to go into here and we're going to go to precision and tolerance. And right now it's set for 2 decimal places. So I'm going to change it to 3 decimal places in both of these. And click OK. There is the 0.208. It was rounding up to 0.21. But because we had 0.208 on our instructions being very specific, I thought it best to show the 3rd decimal place. Now we're going to apply the chamfer. So we go to annotate, chamfer, and we want to select the angle that is the chamfer, and then the vertical line. That's what we want. 0.01, 45 degrees. And the final bit of it, the last 2 things, we don't have a view that shows us the bottom, so we're going to just have to pull the dimension diameter here. It's not perfect, but I didn't put a bottom view, and I don't think we need to go back and do that. Normally, we would have a bottom view to show the circle, but I'm not going to find that necessary. We do see that's hidden, and then we want to dimension, avoid the green dot, dimension the diameter of the cap. And so those are all the dimensions that you're going to need to create this part. Save. File, save as. Train hitch peg. Save. And then file, export, PDF. and then save. And the PDF is uploaded to Canvas.